Hindi, huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Hindi ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa akin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan talaga pagmamahal, hanggang may ibig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, ika'y iniibig.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jessa Saragosa.
Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan, kung siya'y higit sa akin, naroon ang daramdamin ko ay aking kakayanin.
Please all welcome Miss Regine Velasquez.
And I'm yours exclusively, not afraid of British Island. Inside of my mind seems blowing like a free running, free traveling. I think it's alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Christina Aguilera.
Hey. Fish inside, run to the cry, more, yeah. Now it's back home to midnight fire, living a great life. Alright, when he turned out to speed, man, love is greedy. Let's all welcome Miss Rihanna. Because when the sunshine will shine together, told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. You know I'm sticking out till the end. Now it's raining more than ever. Know that we'll still have a shutter. You can stay under my umbrella. You can stay under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause I'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase this feeling is strong. No way you're never gonna shame me. Ooh, darling, 'cause I'll always be my baby. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, laging ikaw.
Vice ganda.
Bakit? Bakit?
Vice ganda pa.